Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago, I'm a web developer and investor, and in today's video we are going to cover ZkLend. This is a project from Starknet network. It's already in testnet since December 13. This is a free airdrop because you are going to use fake tokens to prove it, but this is an airdrop participation. Like always, we are going to cover a little bit about the project, and you are going to see step by step how to do this airdrop really easy and directly to the point. This is your channel for different airdrops of all over the crypto world. And of course, we also have our airdrop organizer for you to check free and download it free with all the airdrops videos and step by steps. And we already did the Starknet video, so you are going to be able to do this also. Before we begin, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and without anything else, let's get into it. Hey guys, well, remember that this project ZkLend, the airdrop for today, is from Starknet network. This is another network that was in testnet, is in testnet, so you can still do this. So go to my airdrop organizer, the link is in the description, and you can see here in the row 12, Starknet, you can go here to the video and you are going to be able to follow those steps in order to participate. Also, because we are using that network, with the transactions of ZkLend platform, you are going to apply also for Starknet because it's in that testnet. So this is a 2-for-1 airdrop. And if it's your first time here, the step-by-step that you are going to see here in this Excel file is going to be in a post of my website. So the link is also in the description. So you have there the step-by-step with all the links that I show you here in this Excel file is available for you for free, just in the link on the description, so you can follow this step-by-step without any issues. So the website is zklend.com. I really like it. The website is like the constellations from Apollo, Artemis, so it's really nice. There is a lot that is coming soon or in construction, so this is really new project, guys. You need to understand that. One thing that I didn't like it is that the links for the biography of each of the co-founders and the tech lead are not going anywhere. It just refresh your homepage. So that was a red flag for me, because if you are not going to put the links here, why are you putting the link here to go if you are going anywhere? So that is a flag for me, didn't like it. You can research by yourself if you found these people, but really if you put the link, you should be sending people to somewhere. But besides that, the website is really nice. You have a little of the roadmap, you have the token distribution. Important, the total supply is 100 million, so that is a good number for this kind of projects. And if you go to the Twitter account, you can see that 32k followers, so the Twitter is actually really nice. You have a lot of things here to check about the project. So in terms of community, website, project, I think this has some potential. And also because it's running in Starknet, it's going to be really cheap actually. And this airdrop, of course, is going to help you to apply for both of them. But guys, if you didn't do yet the Starknet airdrop, I don't know if the snapshot was already taken or not, but check the link that is appearing right now and do it anyways because it's free. So don't miss that opportunity. Now let's go to the step-by-step. ZkLend is a layer 2 money market protocol built on Starknet, combining Zk role scalability, superior transaction speed and cost savings with Ethereum security. December 13, they announced the testnet was open to the public, so that is why we are covering that now. I already mentioned 100 million tokens is going to be the supply. And here in my post, you're going to have the link for the Starknet airdrop video. So let's start with this. The step 1 is you will need a wallet on Starknet, like Braavos or Agent X. I am usually using Braavos. So the link will be also there for the Chrome extension. So you can just click here and add the extension to your browser. And you are going to be able to do like with MetaMask, your key phrase and everything, like any other wallet that you already know how to download it. So after you have your wallet, if it's your first time here, if not, you already use this wallet in many of my airdrops. Then we go to step 2. You will need to have Garlic Ethereum and then USDC and DAI on Starknet. So this is free token, guys, remember that. So I will put here 2 links. The second one is really directly to the point. So here you put your address, click on the bot and click here in send request. You are going to see a pop-up with 3 steps, and then you are going to be receiving 0.002 Ethereum on your Braavos, and you need to check here that you are in your Starknet Garlic. Not Starknet Mainnet, not Starknet Garlic 2, not DevNet, Starknet Garlic. So this is your testnet on Starknet. So you are going to receive your tokens here. Also, you can click here on get test tokens on Braavos, and you can click here on get Ethereum from Starknet, and this sends you to the same link that I put in the post, but you can do it from the wallet too. Also, you can see that you can bridge from Ethereum layer 1. So this is another way to do it. And if you do it from this way, you are going to need to connect your MetaMask Garlic and your Braavos here. So here I have tokens on my Ethereum Garlic network. This is on Ethereum, so I have 0.01, and I connected my Braavos here. So here I can bridge from one place to the other. So let's check that. I will put here 0.01. Click on transfer. Confirm your MetaMask confirmation task. The transfer is in progress. Remember, this is not costing you anything. This is because I already have Garlic Ethereum in my Ethereum Garlic wallet. So I am bridging that into Starknet. The transaction was sent, and I can see that in the on-start scan, and the transaction was successful. So I will close all that. But guys, this link, the second link here, the Faucet Garlic Starknet, is directly, it's going to give you 0.002, and that is enough for this airdrop, at least to try it once. So this is the quick way to do it. After doing that, we are going to swap some Ethereum into USDC and DAI. So be sure to connect with your Starknet wallet into the testnet to see your balance. So we can go to my swap, for example. We go to my swap, we connect with Braavos. So I am connected with my Braavos account. And here I'm going to select Ethereum. So I already have my 0.02. And I'm going to select here DAI, for example. I don't have any balance here, so I will put a little bit on DAI, 0.007. I will click on swap. I will sign this transaction. I will click this to add DAI to the wallet in the meantime. And you can see this is receiving the transaction. I am here in testnet, so in my swap you need to go to Starknet testnet, of course. And you can see transaction done, the swap was done. And when I check here, you can see that I have 0.007 DAI, and I already received my 0.01 from my bridge that I did before. So right now I have more Ethereum, and now I will do the same but with USDC. So now that I have a little more, I will just put 0.1 here, and I will swap Ethereum into USDC, sign the transaction. I will also add USDC to my wallet, clicking this button. Transaction is being received. And all these transactions, guys, you are going to see are in the Starknet testnet. So this is also helping you for the Starknet airdrop, because these transactions are in those testnet. Swap transaction was accepted. So soon you can click here and see the tax history. So everything okay. Now I go to my Braavos wallet, and you can see that now I have Ethereum, I have USDC, and I have DAI. So with that, we are going to be able to do everything in the platform now. So the next step is going to the app. This is the link for the testnet of Artemis of ZkLend. So click here, and here we are going to supply on the 3 tokens, borrow on the tokens, and withdraw our tokens. So click the link there. You are going to be sent to here, the Artemis testnet. Connect your Braavos. You can use Argent X, but I like Braavos more. Approve this connection. Once you are here, you can see the supply and borrow. This is lending and borrow. And in the dashboard, you don't have anything here. So go to market up here. You can see the total market size. And you can see here the tokens that you have to supply or borrow. So let's do this quickly. Click on supply Ethereum. I will put from the amount that I have 24%, enable and supply, sign the transaction, and you can click here on view on Starknet. So I will click there. You can see I am redirected to testnet.starkscan.co, and here you can see that the transaction, this is live status, has been received, so we need to wait. This is complete. But in the meantime, you can still continue doing the same with USDC. So supply here, I will supply 30%, enable and supply. And remember, you can see here the estimate gas fee is 0.000001 Ethereum, so really cheap. But remember that you need to have Ethereum, so don't supply all your 100%, just a part of what you have. Sign there. You can see the Ethereum as collateral was already success, and now we have the USDC pending. Do the same with DAI, 25%, enable and supply. Sign here. So now pending, the USDC was successful, and you can see again that in the view Starkscan. So I already supply on Ethereum, USDC and DAI. You don't need to do it in all the tokens. We don't have wrap BTC or USDT, but doesn't matter. The important here thing is that you test the application. So if we go to dashboard now, you can see here in your balance that we are supplied asset Ethereum, DAI and USDC. And this is as collateral. Now we are going to do the same with the borrow part. I'm going to do it only with one so you can see it, but do it with all the tokens that you have. So I will borrow 24% of the total that I have there. Click on borrow. And here you can see that testnet Artemis would like to sign the following transaction and says borrow. So here is the contract address. Click sign. And again, the borrow is pending. So do that with all the other ones. Again, if you go to dashboard, after this transaction is complete, you are going to see on the borrow side your borrow assets here. So let's wait for that. So after some minutes, you can see here that in borrow section, my balance, I have also some borrow assets. And now guys, I'm going to take out my DAI. I'm not going to do that with Ethereum or USDC, the withdraw, because I am using here on the borrow part. But here, if you click, for example, on Ethereum, you will see that I don't have insufficient collateral. So please repay your balance. So I need to do an adjustment on that because I am borrowing. But here on DAI, if I click, I can confirm and take out my collateral. So I will do that here. And the action here is disable collateral. So click on sign, confirming transaction. So transaction pending. Take some time guys, some minutes. But anyways, that is all that you can test right now on the application. Remember to follow them on Twitter and also follow them on Discord. If you are seeing this video and some of the functions doesn't work, don't panic. Just go to Discord and ask there for the status of the application. This is in testnet, so there could be issues. So right now I didn't have any issues. Everything works fine, but you could have issues on this guys. So that is all for the video. Remember to everything here, all the links and everything is in the link on the description to the post on my website. So everything that you see here is going to be for you. And you have the link for my airdrop organizer for free. So you can go here and do all the different airdrops that I have been already mentioning. Guys, that is all for ZkLend. This is another project from Starknet. We really like that platform and it's a free airdrop. That is all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.